Hi, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I'm Brooklyn08 and I collect Pandora, troll beads, and a few ohm beads. This video will feature my Trollbeads haul during their summer sale. Retired beads were up to 40% off. I was also able to get a free glass bead on World Oceans Day, which took place during the sale. Let's take a close-up look at everything. This bead is called the Royal Bead. Trollbeads Gallery, which is an authorized retailer of troll beads, added several retired beads to the sale. Beads that weren't on sale at trollbeads.com. This and the other silver beads in my haul are from trollbeadsgallery.com. If you're interested, the item number at the gallery is 11227, and at trollbeads.com it's TAGBE-20085. It really is a good looking bead. This is the rose bead. They really are gorgeous. They're four-sided and pair well with glass and floral beads. Again, if you're interested, the item number at the gallery is 11203, and at trollbeads.com it's TAGBE-20103. Next are several glass beads. The first is the turquoise and purple chest bead. It's really festive and colorful. This is the golden thread bead. This is part of the Desert Sun kit. Really is a good looking bead also. This is the sparkling moss bead. It's a lovely green color with what looks like gold glitter sparkling throughout. Let me see if I can get any closer for you. There it is. Really sparkles. That's a lovely bead. Next is the Honey Dawn bead. These beads look like sunlight. They're a beautiful light golden color. And I'm thinking, when I saw them, I was thinking how beautiful they would look with the Florence bead. And I'm just going to put the Florence bead here so that you can see it together. That is gorgeous. Really lovely. The next bead is the Beige Flower. And it looks to me like these might be orchids, and they are against an amber colored background. And I can imagine that this bead would look really beautiful paired with some of the amber beads. Next is the white stripe. And it's clear with white stripes. And I think this will look good with a variety of beads. This is the Nougat Flower. It's cream-colored flowers against the white background. And it really looks interesting from the side. Let's see. Look at that. Beautiful. And the last bead is the Sea Urchin Bead. And this was the free bead on World Oceans Day, which was June 8th. If you spent $130, this bead was free. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed viewing this haul. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Stay safe, everybody. Bye.